welcome to Run Deals. Today I would love to share with you this 2-tier bathroom organizer. This product, guys, has a very large capacity. As you can see, it is made with a premium iron, which makes it very sturdy, and also it is waterproof and rust proof. It is super easy to assemble, guys. It will only take you a few minutes to do so. And let me just tell you that it also comes with 4 silicone pads at the very bottom, so that way we avoid slipping, but also to avoid any scratches in the surface of your countertops. This great product will help you save a lot of space. You can use it in your bathroom, in your kitchen, even for your makeup in your vanity. It is multifunctional, guys. Just be creative. You can use it for anything you want. That way you keep everything nice and tidy and organized. So I really hope you will enjoy this amazing product, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.